In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to play background music in Zoom 2026. Quick and easy. Playing music for your audience is great for waiting rooms, workouts, workshops, or study sessions, and the method I'm about to show you makes sure everyone hears crisp audio directly from your computer, not through your microphone. Start by opening Zoom on your computer. Use the desktop app or your browser, whichever you prefer, and sign in if needed. Next, join a meeting or start your own. You can do this from your homepage in Zoom. Just enter an existing meeting or click to host a new one. If you're not the host, make sure the host has allowed participants to share their screen so you can complete the next steps. Once you're in the meeting, move your mouse to reveal the bottom toolbar. You're looking for the Share button. It's typically centered and easy to spot. If you don't see the toolbar, just wiggle your mouse or tap your trackpad to make it appear. Click Share. A window will open showing the screens and apps you can share. Select the specific window where your music will play. That might be a music app, a browser tab with a playlist, or a media player. Choosing the actual app window keeps things tidy and avoids exposing your whole desktop. If you plan to switch between apps while the music runs, sharing your entire screen is fine too. Before you confirm, enable the option that says Also Share System Audio, sometimes labeled Share Sound. This is the key setting. It routes the audio from your computer straight into the meeting, so your participants hear clean music without microphone echo or room noise. If you're on a Mac and see a prompt the first time you do this, follow the on-screen instructions to allow audio sharing, then come back to the meeting. Now click Share to go live. Start your music in the window you selected. You can talk over the track just like normal. To balance levels, use your computer's volume slider to adjust how loud the music is for everyone. Keep it low enough that your voice remains clear. Around a quarter to a third volume usually works well. Wearing headphones helps prevent any feedback and keeps your microphone focused on your voice. When you're done, pause the music and stop sharing to return the focus to your camera or slides. That's it. Quick, clean, and reliable background music in Zoom, ready for your next session.